It's rocket time!
That's not going to hit the wooden pole, is it? It went behind the house.
That's right.
Missed one rocket.
Yeah, I've seen the bottom of it.
Yeah, you couldn't really see that one.
It didn't go bang now.
No, it didn't, did it?
No.
This is not supposed to.
No, perhaps just one of those shooter.
Yeah.
We're intrigued to see the multi-shot. What's this one, Sam?
It's a normal one.
Oh, okay.
I thought that was a multi-shot he got out there.
No, I'm not. I think it's out there. It's just
Oh,
not...
what about the Catherine wheel pops?
Oh, the wind's picking up.
You won over.
You still want a rocket?
Just a little one, that's all that does.
Don't waste the money then, ones.
You can't help it with the mixed boxes, can you?
Yeah, that's true.
What's this one, Pop?
Same as the last one.
A nice little one. Ah, that's nice. These are nice quiet ones that don't go bang and they're like. Rocket!
Rocket, go on then. Next rocket. Bring it out, Sam.
You'll be the one running back indoors. Because it was kind of tilted, I thought it was going to hit the wooden post thing. That's what I was worried about.
Here we go. Might this one go bang? Or might it just be a
No,
shoot?
just a shooter, I think.
Get rid of what you got in there.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
good one.
Catherine wheel!
And film this one.
Yeah.
This is for...
You might whistle, folks. Hello, Catherine wheel. Might you whistle on?
You'll find out in a minute, dude. Oh shit.
Oh. Sorry, Sam.
So, excuse the language.
You won't.
Didn't fix that very well, did you?
Well, I banged it in with a hammer.
I think it needed more than that.
Need a 6-foot screw, I think, with that one.
I need to wear it in the
Where'd it go in there?
in the hedge, yeah.
Oh, that's alright.
Right. Now we've got to find this one now.
And what, the multi-shot? And it's best to do it away from the house.
Yeah?
You filming this one? Come on, you want to film it?
Sam, you filming? Sam?
Up in the air, Sam. Up in the air.
That is so close to tap.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
That's how it's done.